God, have mercy on that. Kakwago.
Yes, Baba. I'm there. Yes, I'm at that tree, the tree that is next to the blue gate. Should I call them now? You mean where there is one boy and one girl? They are busy eating banana. Yes, next to the same tree. Is it where you're talking about? Oh, I'm there already. Should I just go ahead, cut them straight? I should just go and cut them. You mean, Baba, I should go and cut them now? You want them to? I should cut from the hand. Oh, I should cut the hand. Okay, Baba.
God, have mercy on that. Kakwago.
Daddy, that is where I am. You mean that woman that is selling fruit? Yes. Yeah, that is where I am now. Yes. So, Baba, how do you want me to cut it? I should cut the head, or I should cut it from down. I should just cut one hand. Huh? Well, I shouldn't cut everything. I should just cut one hand. No, Baba, I'm there. I will cut it now. Yes, exactly where the woman is selling orange. That is where it is. One, yeah, fair woman.
God, have
She's here.
mercy on that.
Okay, Baba.
Kakwago.
I don't know if this is the one that Baba wanted me to cut. Huh? He said I should just cut one hand of the tree. No, I don't think it's this one. Let me check this one. I think this one is much better. I don't know. Is this tree going to be enough?
God, have mercy on that.
I think this will be enough.
Kakwago.
This is... Yes, Baba, I'm there now. You mean one girl and one boy that is playing under the tree? Is that the same tree that you're talking about? Yes, I'm there. So where should I cut? I should cut from where? The hand. I hope it's the same tree that you're talking about. Yes, one guy and one, there's a girl and a boy, they are there. It's the same tree.
Kakwago.
Yes, I'm there. So I should cut now. Okay, so Baba. Yeah, I think this will be very good. Yeah, this is exactly what Baba wants.